Oh, you're recording.
In instructional technology, ED200, I learned about wikis and digital glogsters and Google Earth, different Web 2.0 tools to stimulate thinking using technology in the classroom.
I learned how not to look like you're on Facebook and how not to look like you're checking your email and how to bribe teachers with cupcakes.
But we also learned about web quests and word processing applications and wikis, and
How to play on the fun interactive tools for kids.
and we made classroom websites. Those were nice. We got to contact fellow educators and ask them how we could help them with internet searches.
And play on more websites made for kids.
And also we did web quests.
And then there was Facebook. Stop it. Stop it. So we forgot some things.
We forgot that we blogged. Also, we blogged.
Busting out the cutoff.
We made other videos.
We made other videos.
Posted them to podcasts.
Podcasts. We did podcasts, and we learned how to attach files to a lot of different things, and
Google Documents.
Google Docs. That is very effective. You won't lose your stuff there.
Animoto.
Animoto's good. I downloaded the iPhone app. I made a video on my cat.
Facebook.
No.
Okay, once you have your movie done.
Standards too. Standards too. The standards to effectively incorporate technology into the classroom, to give them a nice, well-rounded education and better them for the future.
Facebook.